SkipperBud's Yacht Center in Sturgeon Bay, taking you through the 2024 Sea Ray 400 SLX, shown here in beautiful Sea Ray blue. This boat has been nicknamed by Sea Ray the Entertainer. You'll notice right away the fold-out terrace has been deployed, perfect for entertaining off the starboard side of the boat. You'll also notice the large V12 600 horsepower Mercury engines. This is the largest engine package that you can get on this boat, and it pushes it at speeds up to 60 miles an hour, so great performance on this boat. Not shown but included in this boat is also a gyroscopic stabilizer, so really affects the performance of the boat, keeping it level and calm. You'll also have an onboard generator. As we pop onto the transom of the boat, you'll notice a convenient walk back and forth from one end to the other. And again, the giant entertaining space on the starboard side with that terrace deployed. You'll notice the back seat is folded at a 90-degree angle. Up at the helm here, you'll notice the twin SIMRAD displays. That will display your radar, GPS, engine functions. You also have your digital switching for the entire boat, all the lighting. It's a really convenient feature with Sea Ray. Twin Kenyon grills as well as twin refrigerators. You'll notice in the summer kitchen. Now traveling up to the bow, this is the best seat in the house when the boat's underway. You'll notice the ample seating, spot for a table. You also have convenient and ergonomic armrests and plenty of cup holders. Great spot for really getting the most out of the entertaining aspects of the boat. Traveling up to the hardtop, you'll see the SIMRAD radar. And another aspect about this boat is that it is single level in the cockpit. Traveling down below, you'll notice the refrigerator and microwave, along with the flat panel and sound bar. Right now this is converted into a seating group with a table, but it also drops down to be a sleeper. It can fit about 6 people at the seating group, and plenty of open and airy space to enjoy. Popping into the head compartment, this is a wet head, so you do have plenty of natural lighting as well as being able to use this as a shower if needed. Down into the mid cabin, this is a queen berth and plenty of area to relax and overnight on the boat. The boat sleeps 4 comfortably.